You will need some cardboard. Any thickness will do, but try and make it a little bit more flexible, which will help you and make it easier when making the pom-poms. The size of the big circle is the size of the pom-pom that you are going to be making. With this example, I've done the white in the middle and the pink on the outside. I'm going to use a double thread today. You put the cardboard pieces together, you take the wool and you wind it around the cardboard, and then you secure it with a knot. The thickness of the wool around the cardboard is going to be the thickness of your pom-pom. Cut in between the two pieces of cardboard. If you cut in and you find that the wool is a little bit thick, then you're just going to cut on the outside of that cardboard. Take the sandwich again, I like calling it the sandwich. You're then going to put the thread on the inside of that double cardboard again. You're going to take it around, you're going to loop it through your finger and through the other piece of wool. Make sure that it's in between those two pieces of cardboard and pull it through the loop and then tighten it. Good, that's it. And then you're going to take the cardboard off. And this is what's holding the pom-pom together. And you'll see as you pull it, it bounces into a nice circle shape. You're going to flatten it on the one side and then on the other side, and you're going to place it in between those two pieces of cardboard, like a sandwich again. And then you're going to trim. Know that you do a lot of trimming when we make pom-poms. This is where you can actually make the pom-pom a little bit smaller if you wish, and then just trim and use the cardboard as a guideline. Shake it out, and if there's some long or short pieces, then you flatten it in another place in the pom-pom, place it in between the two pieces of cardboard and trim. Hi everybody, thanks for watching. I trust you enjoyed that demonstration on how to make a pom-pom. If you have any questions, then just drop me a note below and I shall get back to you. If you'd like to find out more about what you can do with the pom-poms you have made or bought, then to click the subscribe button.